Okay, so I'm gonna take a math test, a grade 11 mathematics practice test, but at the Nebraska State of Accountability. I'm also a little high right now, and I need to turn the music down a little bit. Let me tell you something. Nebraska is 2 states above from Oklahoma. Oklahoma is a very stupid state, and I assume that some of its neighbors are as well, which I know includes me. Um, but in fact, I think am I closer to Oklahoma? No, never mind, never mind. Um, but I think I can do this. I like math. I think this will work for me. All right, let's see. Can I get rid of this bar? I don't like this bar. Hide bar. Where's the hide bar button? Sorry, I'm a little higher now. I guess I'll just deal with this. Wait, what about this? What is this? Toggle sidebar. Nope. Okay. Nebraska State Accountability. Grade 11 Mathematics Practice Test. Name. I can't type my name. Okay. Can I? No. There it is. There we go. There you go. Okay. On the following pages are multiple choice questions for the grade 11 practice test, a practice opportunity for the Nebraska State of Accountability. Mathematics, NISA, M. Oh, in E is Nebraska. Okay. For each question, you will ask to select an answer among the 4 choices. For all questions, read each question carefully, choose the best answer. You may use scratch paper. The mathematics reference sheet is provided in the back of the booklet. You may not use a calculator in the test. Oh, you know what? That's actually important to know. I'm glad I didn't look up a calculator. Be sure to answer all the questions. Remember, only one of the answers provided is the correct response. Alright. Okay. Mathematics practice test. Use diagram below. Okay, 2 squares, 1600 and 900. The area of each square is given in the diagram. What is the value of x plus y? Okay, and they're squares. The area of a square is length times the width. So, I need water. Okay, sorry about that. All right. So, am I recording? I am recording. Correct? Yes, I am. All right. The area of each square is given in the diagram. What is the value of x plus y? So, 1600 meters squared and 900 meters squared. When you find the square root of these, oh no. Oh no, the square root? Hmm. Oh no. Oh no, I gotta find the square root. Nobody knows how to do the square root. They don't teach that. They don't teach that anywhere. It's not even a popular mathematical algebraic equation to get the square root. Like, you just kind of know it. Yeah, like, you have to know it. It is 400, right? Oh, obviously. It's obviously 400. No, actually, it's 40. It's actually 40. Yeah, because the square root of 16 is 4, and and then you have to add zeros together. So it is 40. So it's 40 by 30. It's C, 70. I have to get gray at the end of this, so could I use that or that? Oh, this is just like school. All right. What value of the expression -4 times 25 plus 4 to the third power? Because they're obviously not calculating, the roots, the fourth root, or even the negative fourth root. That'd be we could be getting complex. imaginary. Okay, anyways, wait, did the instructions tell me to show my work? It did not, actually. Okay, interesting. So what's the value of this expression? Well, the square root of 25 is 5, so negative 4 times 5 is 35, right? Is that correct? That's 7 times 5. Yeah, it's 20. I was thinking of times 9. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. I'm just going to write that down. Negative 20 plus 4 cubed, which is 4 times 4 is 16. Well, 16, 32, 48, 64. Yeah, I knew that. It was 64. So this equals 44. Okay. What is the simplified form of the expression? How many questions are there? Oh, no. Wait. Oh, no. I didn't check how many questions there are. Okay, I'm going to go up to 20. Maybe. I'll go up to 10. I want this boring. What is the simplified form of the expression? Okay. Alright. 6x to the fourth plus 4x to the third minus 2x squared and plus 5 minus... Oh. Okay. Oh, no. I remember this. I like this. Okay, so this is, you just subtract each equally version. So this is 3x to the fourth. The answer is positive 2x to the third. X squared. There is no x squared, so it is minus 2x squared. In fact, that's over here anyways in the multiple choice. So yeah, there's no x, so it's plus x. 5, 4, that's 9 plus 9. So the answer is 3x squared plus 2x cubed minus 2x squared. Wait, this isn't right. Wait, why is it minus x? Oh, wait, no? Minus x? There's no x. Wait. Did I do something wrong? Oh, I did. Oh, I did. Ooh, yeah. All these have to be reversed. Right? Yes, they do. Okay. Whoa. I'm glad I caught that. Well, I mean, I'm glad that this obvious, easy to get wrong answer isn't over here. But okay. Well, I know for a fact that B is wrong. So, I need to add the negative. So, yeah, which I was doing at first, but not for all of them. So, positive 6 minus 3 is 3x to the fourth. Negative is a positive. So, it's, wait. Yeah. Okay, so it's plus 2x cubed, which means it's 6x cubed. Minus 2x squared, since there's only one square. And it's also 1, 1, so it's plus x. Wait, no, I'm messing up again. Minus 2x squared, that is true. But this x has to be negative. So, minus. And it'd be plus 1. So 3x fourth, 6x cubed, negative 2x, negative x, plus 1. The answer is D. Oh, geez. Okay, I'm alive. Alright, use the graph below the graphs below to answer the question. Alright. Which line shows a negative slope? That would be line S, because it's going down. So that's an 11th grade question? Are you sure about that? Am I in the Wisconsin test? Because this circle I drew around the B looks like Wisconsin a little bit. If it had the Michigan Island. I'm going to go up to 10 questions. Use the figure below to answer the question. ABC is equilateral to each side, and each side measures a 10. The segment DC... Wait. Oh, no, D is in the middle. Okay, so DC is equal to 5 inches. The segment DC, which also means it's BD, basically is 5 inches. What is the length of A to D? Ooh! Oh my! Okay, alright, so the length of A to D is basically, we have a right triangle. We can use the Pythagorean theorem here. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared, which is the hypotenuse, which is 10. So, A squared plus B squared equals C squared, which is 100. Oh, wait, I know the length of this. This is 5. So it's A squared. Yeah, I'm trying to find A. This is A. This is my A. You're probably not watching anymore. That'd be fine. This is boring, but I'm really excited about it. A squared plus B squared equals 100. It equals 100. I completely lost my train of thought. Okay, no, it's A squared plus 5 squared equals 100. And 5 squared is 25. So, A squared equals 75. A squared equals 75. So the answer is... So this is the square root of 75? AD is the square root of 75. But, the answer is... Huh. But the answer is irrational. Which 75 might be. No, 75 is irrational. Square root of 75, that is. Huh. Okay. Let me see here. Play around with the audio levels there. How do I get 5 like that? Oh, man. What is it? Oh, am I just overcomplicating this? The answer is the square root of 75. But I guess I can simplify that more, maybe. It's irrational. Like, what is 5 times the square root of 2? No. Uh, okay, I'm gonna guess that it's 5 to the square root of 3. Alright. Because, like, 3 goes in 75, and so is 5. They both go in 75, so I'm picking that. Alright. What is the simplest form of this expression? Alright. So we're subtracting an x squared. So, it would be x squared plus 16x. Wait, am I doing this wrong? I think so. Am I? Wait. Divide by -1? No, that's not it. That's... Right? Is that it? Am I crazy? Yeah, I am crazy. I thought I had this. Oh no. Wait. Okay, maybe I'm just doing this all backwards. In fact, I definitely am. Foil. Reverse foil. So. Okay. The 2's. So, it'd be 2 x squared plus 8x plus 7. Divided by x squared minus 1. X squared 2x. Oh fuck, I've forgotten how to do all this stuff. Wait a minute. X squared minus 1 is equal to x plus 1, x minus 1. Holy crap! This is it right here. It's B! Okay, alright. I'm good. Let's keep going. What's the value of half to the negative 2 power? Well, negative power is fractions. I believe the negative second root of 2 is... Wait, square root of negative number. No, that's imaginary. And I know that. I don't need to say that. I know that. It's a positive number. It's a positive number. It's fourth. It's a fourth because we're going backwards. Wait, no, we're not. No, we're not. Wait, half times a half is a fourth. That's a half cubed. So it's not a fourth. It's not a fourth. Yeah, we're fractioning out the fractions. It's D. It's 4. That's it. Okay. A line has a slope of 3/4 and it passes to the point -4, 2. Which representation of the equation is written in standard form? Okay. Hmm. Wow. Well, I mean, I can plug these in, actually, because I have the coordinates, so maybe that'll work. So, negative, so, yeah. So, 4 times -4 is -16 minus 3 times 2, which is 6, equals -22. Oh, hey, check that out. That's true already. Wait, no, it's not. Wait, yes, it is. Okay. So -3 times -4 is positive 12. Plus 8 equals 20. Oh no, wait, that's true. Oh no, that's true. That's true. -16 minus 6 equals -18. That is true. That's false. That's false. So it can't be C. -12 minus 8 would equal 20. Yeah, that's not right either. It would equal -20. Yeah, so that's out. But wait, did I do this wrong? Because both A and B are true. Both of them are true. So A. Because we don't need this to be negative. And this is the first one I feel like I probably got wrong. Okay, I'm just passing the test. Just want to make sure I'm only passing the test. Okay. In a school of 100 students, what is the probability of randomly selecting a student that is either a female or a senior? Either a female or a senior. The probability. So there are 100 students, and I have to get 50 and 75 amounts to 10 that we already counted with the female seniors. The answer is a 65 out of 100. Yeah! Okay. Alright. The vertices of ABC 006037. What type of triangle? Ooh, well. Pretty sure this is a right angle. So this is where 0. So 0, 0. All the way over to 6, 3, 7. Alright. It's not a right angle. It almost is. Right? Am I crazy? 6, 0. No, yeah. This is a freaking isosceles triangle. And it's acute. It's an acute isosceles triangle. Oh, that's 10? That was only 10. Okay. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. I don't need to do anymore. There we go. Oh yeah. Wait. I need to test. I need to check my work. Oh, there's only 24? There's only I could do this actually. Yeah, you know, I'll do it. I'll do it. And if you're bored, well, you already clicked out, so that's fine. Which statement is true for a line that passes through points -2, 4, and 3, 4? So, yeah. It's like this, because this is at 4. This is -2, this is +3. That is a 0 slope. Yeah, rise over run. Rise is 0. The run is something else. Okay, alright. Use the figure below to answer the following question. So line DE is parallel BC. That is true. The measure of square root of A is 60. Alright. And DEC is 125. What is the measure of angle B? The measure of angle B. Well, I need to find the inverse of angle 125. I need to find the inverse of angle 125. 555. Yeah. So 60 and 55. 60 and 55 equals 5. Wait. 15? Wait, no. Wait, huh? Wait, 115. Wait, hold on. Hold the phone. Hang on a second here. What's going on here? Are you joshing me right now? That can't be true. That can't be true. That can't be true. 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 Wait. Hold the phone. What? Wait. Huh? Hold the phone. What? Wait. Huh? Hold the phone. What? Huh? 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 Oh! Oh, I'm stupid! Oh, I'm so stupid! I'm so stupid. I thought this was equaling angle D, but it's equaling, if I subtract 180 from with this, and I get that when I get angle D. Okay, so 180 minus 115 is 175. 75, 65. That's it. What's the value of this expression? 3 plus a quarter, all divided by 3. Well, I think it's a fourth. No? Yeah? No? Yeah? Yes? Yes, it is. Okay, so it's actually, so it's 3 to the third plus 1/4 to the third. Yes, it is. So it's 1 plus a 4 to the third. Which I think is 1 to the 12? Wait, a quarter divided by 3. Yes, yes, it's 1 to the 12th, which is equal to 13 over 12. Using positive exponents, what's the simplest expression of x to the fourth divided by 3 to the y squared to the third power? Excuse me, sorry. Power. So I think I add the expressions together. Is that right? No. No, I multiply. Yeah, I multiply. So this will be x to the 12th power, which is C or D. And it's going to be on, wait. Yeah, I'm cubing these. So the 3 is going to equal 27, and 2 times 3 is 6, it's D. Okay. Give the linear equation, y equals 2 to the third power times x plus 2, which table values expressions the expressions equation expression? 2 to the third plus 2. The slope. This is the slope formula. I think it's saying that the slope is 2. I believe. Huh. M equals mx plus b. M is the slope. B is the y-intercept point, I think. So, yeah. Y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. That is true. M is the slope. It's the slope. The slope is 2 over third. Y-intercept is 2. So it's not C, that's for sure. Wait. Yeah, 2, 0. Wait. Oh, yeah, that's it. It's 2, 0. Yeah, okay. That's the intercept point, which is 0. Okay. Alright. Haha. What is the y-intercept of the line that contains 3, 3, and 6 times minus 1? Not times. The y-intercept point of this. Well, it's y equals mx plus b. I need the slope. I need the slope. This is a bop. Okay, so starting from 3, 3, and the rise over run, you rose 3 times and you ran 3, negative 2 times. What? No. Negative 4? So 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, you. So it's negative 3 to the 4. So y equals negative 3 to the 4 x plus b. Right? No. That's. I'm doing this wrong. I'm doing this all wrong, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I'm totally doing this wrong. Holy crap. Let's just start this out, eh? Let's start this out. So the y-intercept point is somewhere on x being 0 on this y-axis. 3 6 negative 1. Yes. So you go up to 6. No. And then run -4. Wait, am I fucking stupid? Am I a dumbass? I sure am. I think. Negative 3. Negative 3. Wait, what am I thinking? What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. That sure looks like a negative 3 or 4 to me. What am I? I've totally lost my train of thought. Oh no! Wait. What am I doing? Where did I get this from? Ah. What is the y-intercept of this line? What is it? What is it? I am so close. What the heck? I don't remember. I really don't remember. Oh my gosh. Like, don't I have to draw it? Don't I? Oh no! Wait. It contains the points at 3, 3, and 6 to the negative 1. Right? That's what it does. From 3, 3, and 6 to the negative 1. It ran... Okay, no. I know why I'm... Okay. I'm looking at this okay now. So it's running over 3. Because the run is 3, and the rise is 3 minus 1. It's 2 over 3. Right? Right? Wait. Wait. Oh, fuck. No, okay, that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay, to get from point 3 to point 6, you add 3. So the run is 3. To get from point 3 to point negative 1... Oh, wait, no. Negative 1... No. From point 3 to point negative 1, you have to go down. You go down. 3, and then down that way. And 3, 2, 1, 0, 4. So it's negative 4 over 3, I think. So... Oh, man. What is the y-intercept? Oh, wait. You rose 3, and then you ran negative 4. No. You ran 3. Rise over run. So we're going to run negative 3 and then rise 4, positive 4. The answer is C, 7. Alright. The coordinates for the vertices for rectangle ABCD are 2, 4, 6, 10, 9, 8, 5, 2. What is the length of diagonal AC or BD of the rectangle? Okay. Alright. So, 2, 4. Wait. Wait, does that make sense? Wait, no. Right? Oh, no. It's an angle. Oh, fuck me. It's an angle. Wow. Huh. It's an angle. It's an angle. Alright, Alright, hold on. This is all positive, so let's just draw this. 2, okay, 2, 4, This is A. So this is 2, 6, 10. And then 3 over. And low down is that. And then I'm at 9, so let's go down 5. And then rise 2. Wait, can I even do that? Yes, I can. 9. Gotta go back 5. Right here. And then... Oh yeah, that looks like a rectangle, alright. The angle of AC the length of a diagonal. So basically, this is what I'm trying to find. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So the point between A and D, you rose 3. No. You run 3. And then you rise -2. Correct. So, -2 to the 3rd squared. And the length of this point to this point, which is you run -4. No, yes. Wait. Oh, it messes up again. I don't fucking know. I don't know. I'm gonna see. That's my guess. Use the frequency table below to answer your question. Frequency table shows the test scores of each interval. I should have stopped at 10. What am I thinking? The frequency table shows the test scores for each interval. What effect was dropping the 2 scores in the 70, 70, 76? Fallout 76. Soldier 76. What effect would dropping the 2 scores in the 70 to 74 interval have on the mean and standard deviation? Oh, okay. Alright, what I can find out about the mean, the standard deviation I don't remember. Deviations, standard deviations. Crap, that was like one part I don't even remember. Alright, I believe... Okay, let's see what the... Let's see what happens to the mean. Let's see what happens to the mean. Alright, so... It's, 2 plus 1 is 3, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7 plus 6 is 13, 14. So it's 14 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you take out the 2, then this would be 12 over 5. Ah, damn, I don't remember how to, like, get mixed numbers again. Okay, hold on a second. Yeah, I think it's just division. I think it's just standard division because it's 12 with me or 2. Yeah, okay. So this is equal to 2 to the 3rd And this is 2 to the 2/5. So the mean changes. But shockingly, I don't know. No, I'm pretty sure that. Wait, no. What is bigger between? Well, a 2/6 is equal to a third. So yes, the mean increases. The mean is increased. 2/5 is bigger than 1/3. No. 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 Yes? Yeah? Wait. Wait. Alright. I'm gonna do this. That's roughly a third. That sucks. No, yeah. It must. It must be bigger. It must be bigger. The mean increases. And I'm going to say that the standard deviation also increases. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. A car used 12 gallons of gasoline and traveled a total distance of 290 miles. The car's fuel efficiency is 0.5. It's just like, oh, there's a blue train. And 20 miles per hour, Gallon City. The variable will represent the number of gallons used on the highway. The variable will represent the number of goods in the highway. Which equation is used to find H? Crap, this is distracting me. A car used 12 gasoline and travel a total of 290 miles. The car's fuel efficiency is 25 miles per gallon on the highway and 20 miles per gallon in the city. I just read all this. I don't want to fail this test. It's only 28 questions. So there's like only a limited amount that I can really afford to guess. I think I've only guessed 2 so far. The number H will represent the number of gallons used. Okay, so we're trying to find how many gallons of gas was used on the highway. So, we use a total of 12 gallons. 290 miles. $25 miles per gallon was used on the highway. 25 miles a gallon was used on the highway. And 20 miles a gallon was used in the city. So, your car used 12 gallons. 12 gallons total. Okay, so, let's say that all 12 gallons were used on the highway. Let's say that. Let's say that all 12 gallons used on the highway. That's 12 times 25. That'd be 10. And then 1 times 5 plus 1 is 6. Yes, that is 12 times 5. Add 0 here. 2 times 2 is 4. And 1 times 2 is 1. Wait, no, but 12 times 2... Should it be 120? I think I did something wrong here. I think I did something wrong here. Uh-oh, don't fall. Okay. It's this! Yeah. Car used 12 miles of gasoline, and we're trying to find what of the 12 was used for the 8th. And that was all on the highway, which is 0.5, so it is B. Okay. Use the spinners below to answer the question. Spinner A, spinner B. All 4 sections of spinner A are the same size, and all 3 sections of spinner B are the same size. Okay. Charlie spins spinner A 1 time and adds his results. Spinner A and spinner B 1 time. What's the probability of getting a sum of 6? A sum of 6. There's probably a mathematical equation for this, but I kind of like doing it one by one. So so it'd have to be 1, 5. Actually, let's just list them. In fact, for this, I'm gonna use the text. Okay, so it's 1, 4, 1, 5. 1, 6. I'm gonna use dots. No, it's confusing. I'm gonna use space. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 4, 3, no, 4, 5, 4, 6. Okay, meaning this is 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay, cool. Back to the pen. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 options, which is obvious. And find which ones are equals 6. So that'd be 1, 2, 2. It is, what the heck? I don't know what's going on here. Oh, I don't know why it's like that, but whatever. Ab sells for $20 per kilogram. What is the cost in cents per gram for this item? $20 per kilogram. We have to divide by 100. 1, 2. It's 0.2 cents per gram. Most of this. Okay, next is my last paper. Yeah. Okay. 9 tiles, number 1 through 9, are placed in the bag. A tile is randomly drawn and replaced. Then a second tile is randomly drawn. With the probability the first tile is drawn and the second tile is drawn at both even numbers. Both even numbers. Okay. So there's 9 number. How many numbers? Wait. 1 through 9. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Okay, 5 odd numbers and 4 even numbers. So there's a 4 out of 9 chance, and then there's another 4 out of 9 chance. The answer is A. No. No, it's not A. What am I thinking? Right? It's not? It's not. No. Yeah, 4 to 9th times 4 to 9th, which equals 16 over 81. Okay. John found the length of one side of a square to be square root of 40 inches. What is the closest length of the side of the square? So the length of one side of the square is 4. Okay, no, yeah, I'm estimating. What is square root to the 40 equal to? Well, 7 times 7 is 49. 6 times 6 is 36. So it's about 6 inches. And finally, line L and line K are perpendicular. How long am I recording for? Oh, an hour? Oh no! I didn't want to record this much. Line L, line K are perpendicular. Line L has a slope of 3, and line K contains the points. So they're perpendicular, so they're both the same. Oh, and 2y. 5, 8, and 2y. Okay, so rise over run. 3 over 1. 3 over 1. 8, 9. 7. The answer is 7. Alright, time to check my work. Might have to refresh the page here. Alright, so let's see how I did. Wait. I have to go down here. And the other side will go up here. Oh, it's a reference sheet. Oh no! Oh? Oh well. Here it is. Answer key. 1 is C. 2, okay, yeah. There we go. 1 is C. 2 is B. 3 is D. Alright, that's correct. B, B, B. B, B, A. Oh. Damn. So the answer is, so I got 1 wrong. In fact, hold on a second. 24. I'll say after. I'll say afterwards. 7 is D. I remember that. Yeah. 7. So DA. DB. The B. Oh. so that's correct. That's wrong. Got 2 wrong so far. D-A-D-C. D-A-D-C. Check. 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 Did I pass that train one? I don't know. B-D-B-C. B-D-A-C. Oh, there's 02. Oh. Okay. No. Yeah, well. Yeah, whatever. Alright, so 15 was wrong. C-A-B-B. Oh no, wait. Was that starting with 17? C. Oh no! C. 18 I said was C. Oh no! My balls! 19 is B? 19 is B? Oh no! 19 is B! 19 is B! Oh no, 19 was B. 20 is B? Okay, 20 I got right. Oh boy, that was 3 in a row. Oh boy. C-A-B, C-B-A-C. C-B-A-C. 21 is B. Fuck. Oh. Oh, damn it. I mixed up the .02 and .2. Oh, that's the oldest trick in the book. Verizon got sued over that. Oh, man. Okay, well, answer is 22 is B. That's right. A. What? Oh, I got that wrong. Okay, how many did I get wrong? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 out of 24 wrong. Which is, 16. Yeah, I got 16 over 24. Oh no. How much is that? Well, that's, wait, no. Divide both sides by 4. You get, 4 over 6. Divide both sides by 8. You get 2 over 3. 2/3. That is 66.7%. I pass.